Good afternoon, all. Welcome to my channel. Today, I am going to talk about the one of the famous festival celebrated by the Indian people. Every year, the people will be excited to celebrate this festival. Yeah, the festival is Navaratri. In this video, we are going to see about Navaratri. Let's go to video. Navaratri is an Hindu festival that spans and celebrated every year in autumn, and it is observed for the different reasons and celebrated differently in various parts of Indian culture. In eastern and northeastern is celebrated as Durga Puja, where goddess Durga battles and victories over the buffalo demon. In northern and western celebrates as Ram Leela, that is, it is called as a Dasara. In Bangalore side, they will celebrate it as Dasara, where Rama got victory over the Ravana. In southern states, in different reasons, they will say like goddess of Rama or Saraswati is celebrated. But in top four reasons, the main common theme is battle of the good and bad, and victory had got by the good to restore the dharma. And final day of Navaratri called as Vijaya Dasami, and the word Navaratri means 9 nights. In Sanskrit, the Nava means 9 and Ratri means night. And significance of each day, how the 9 days are celebrated. Let's see. The first day is called as Shailaputri. I repeat again, Shailaputri, and daughter of the mountain, and it is an incarnation of Parvati and depicted as a riding bull, and Trishura in her right hand and a lotus in her left hand. And the color of the day is red and depicted as action and vigor. And day two is Brahmacharini, and it is another incarnation of Parvati and worshipped for the peace and prosperity. And color of the day is blue. And day three called as a Chandra Ganta. Repeat again, Chandra Ganta. And derived after marrying the Shiva, and Parvati adorned the forehead with Ardha Chandra. And you all see that in Shiva's head there will be one half moon. So the half moon is called as Ardha Chandra. And the color of the day is yellow. And day four called as Kushmanta, and it is worshipped on Chaturthi, and it depicted as creative power of universe. The Kushmanta is called as and creating the world. And color of the day is green and depicted as a 8 arms and sits on the tiger. And day five is called as Skanda Mata, and worshipped on the Panjami. And color of the day is gray, and symbol is that the mother is protecting her child from the danger. The depiction is riding in the ferocious lion with 4 arms and protecting her child. So it is the depiction of Skandamata. And the day 6 called as Katyayani. And you all heard about the Katyayani. It is an incarnation of Durga, and the color is orange. And Katyayani is considered one of the violent forms of Devi. So she will be very, very ferocious, and she is very, 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 very violent. So she is called as the Katyayani. And day 7 is called as Kalaratri. And it is believed that Parvati was removing her white skin to kill the demons called Shumba and Nishumba. So she wants to kill the demon, so she removed her white skin. People are believing that like. So the color of the day is white. And day 8. The day 8 is called as Maha Gauri. And it symbolizes that intelligence and peace. The color is pink. Day 9. The day 9 is the people pray to Siddhihatri, and it is depicted as sitting on a lotus. The color is light blue and admiring towards the nature's beauty. Like not only in India, like Malaysia, Singapore and Thailand, they are also celebrating the Navaratri in very grandful manner. So they are considering the Navaratri as one of the traditional festival. So this is about the Navaratri. Within this, I will conclude my video. If you like this video, please subscribe it and share it with your friends and colleagues. If you want to give any comments or suggestions, please comment in the comment box. And finally, thank you for watching.